We are learning popcorn stitch in this video. I have a patch of 1 row and 17 double crochets in this row. Start with a loose chain. Make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Work 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Insert hook in first double crochet and pull this loop out. This is our first popcorn stitch. Work 3 double crochets. Make a popcorn stitch in the next stitch. Keep repeating the sequence of 3 double crochets and a popcorn stitch. End the row with 2 double crochets. We have 4 popcorn stitches in this row.
Watch more videos like this one at learncrochet.com.